Hey guys, Big E here. Welcome to Big E's YouTube channel. I want to wrap up, this will be part 3 of the building the spoiler. This is going to be the final one. So, I'm not 100% done because I have to get it ready for paint, but here's what we're looking at. I know it's not a really good, I don't have a lot of room to show it here. You can see it has to be finished off a little better for paint, and as you can see, it's pretty sturdy. Everything's all sealed up nice. I have it in black primer right now. So, anyway, we're going to go over what we use. So, as you know, we started off with a piece of poster board. Drew it out. We used of course I can't find it, but if you remember, we used the resin with the hardener, the clear hardener with the resin to make it. We laid the cloth, the fiberglass cloth, we laid that to do like 2 to 3 layers per side. Okay, so what I do is I would do one, lay newspaper down on your workbench, and then you paint the resin on, put your cloth on, dab the paintbrush, get the air bubbles out, more resin, another cloth, get the air bubbles out, another cloth, and then get the air bubbles out. So you have 3 layers stacked. Let that set up overnight, and then the next day come out, flip it over, do 3 more. Okay, then you level, then same deal. And then what I did was then I went over it with the Bondo glass, which they call tiger hair filler. Okay, so I went over the resin with a 40 grit sandpaper. Okay, just to kind of knock the high spots off, and also so it gives a rough surface for the Bondo glass to attach to. So you mix up this Bondo glass, and then you put let that harden, and you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna finish that off with you could start at like a 60, 80 grit, finish around 150 grit. Okay, and then once you get it shaped and trimmed down and kind of the way you want it, I finished off with this Evercoat bed panel adhesive and filler. So what you can do is, a lot of sanding you're going to do, but you're going to get you can get the tiger hair filler pretty smooth, and then you can finish off with this and get it smooth how you want, and then you can primer it and get it to where you can have it ready for paint, and then you end up with something like this, and then you can go ahead and just get it ready for paint, for a primer. Once you get it smooth, 400, and then you can paint it. Okay, so yes, the experiment worked. You can create a spoiler from scratch without spending a ton of money. I'd say probably with this spoiler, probably about 60, 70 bucks. So that's it for our experiment. So hope you learned something in this 3-part series. If anything, may be entertaining. So anyway, if you can like and subscribe to the channel, I would appreciate it. Watch out for each other. Take care of each other. We'll see you next time on Big E's.